Hola, my name is Professor April Post. I will be explaining to you how to create a video using PowerPoint for your final project. First, write your script in a document. I prefer using Google Docs. Make sure that you've used the list of required grammar and vocabulary to make sure you've included examples of every point and check them off. Add more detail if you need to. Paste your script into SpanishChecker.com when you're finished to make sure you have corrected any errors you might have. Next, you can divide your script into short sections and then copy-paste each of those sections into the notes at the bottom of each PowerPoint slide. This will make it easier for your listener to understand what you're saying, and then you can find pictures to go along with each of your points. Be careful and make sure you save all the citations for the pictures that you find. Here's an example. On one slide, you could put, "I spoke to Julia, who is from Spain," and then show a picture of Julia and a map of Spain. And then on the next slide, Julia works for Talk Abroad and is a student at the university. And then you could have a picture of Talk Abroad and a picture of a university. Once you finish adding all of your script and pictures to your PowerPoint, you're ready to record. Just go to record at the top of the PowerPoint and click on the second button that says Cameo. Click on record. What I love about PowerPoint is that you will be able to record each slide individually. So that way, if you mess up, you can always go back and delete and start over from scratch. Just press the red button, stop and pause whenever you need to. There's no need to go back to the very beginning of your presentation. Once you finish recording each slide, you can go to the slideshow and click on play from the start to see how your movie will look. If there's anything you'd like to change, go ahead and make your changes. Once everything looks good, go to File at the top of your screen, click on Export, and then change the file format to Move. Once your file has been downloaded, you will go to YouTube and upload your video using the camera icon at the top right of your screen. Once your video has been uploaded, you can set all of your preferences and make sure at the end that you change the privacy to public or anyone with the link can open. This is the most important step. And that's all there is to it. Once you're finished, share the link with your friends and family and your professor, anyone who would like to see how much you've learned this semester. Buena suerte, gracias por escuchar.